What's up YouTube, Bobby Land coming at you with another video. Hey guys, today we're about to head out to a charity car show event at a church out in New Hope, about 45 minutes or so from here. Oh, I just heard them fired up. Anyway, I'm heading over there with Ken and Sydney and their Z06. And just down the street is Chuck with his Hennessy Cobra. Y'all probably remember both of these people from several of my videos. They're my neighbors. And obviously we do a lot of car things together. But guys, we'll see you when we get to the church. All right, guys, we made it here to the car show. We got some old trucks around here. Got some old cars, a nice little yellow vet. Got a nice red vet here. We'll go check out this SS over here real quick. Got a young girl, got a little quarter car here, man. This thing's sharp, buddy. Ooh, she clean. Alright guys, so just got done with the car show and came here to the house to pick my wife up, and I'm going to go meet the crew up at the Mexican restaurant and go get us a little something to eat.